Hello everyone. Today I am doing an analysis for the company Shield Insurance, and this project is part of my Codebasics virtual internship program. So let's start our analysis by understanding the problem statement first. So this is the presentation for the Shield Insurance, and let's understand the problem statement. So the company Shield Insurance has assigned the work to the analytics team regarding a complete analysis of the company's performance from November 2022 till March 2023. We will be basically focusing on core monitoring, like we will be tracking the most important KPIs like total customers, total revenue, daily growth rate, daily customer, and we'll also focus on the month-on-month policy changes through a comprehensive analytics dashboard. We'll also focus on the segmentation and filtering part. We'll provide a customer revenue breakdown by age group and based on the city with interactive filters like sales mode, age group, city, month, policy ID, etc. And also we'll do a deep dive analysis that will be included in a separate page for sales mode and also for the age group to analyze and understand different channel performance, demographic preferences, and the policy patterns for data-driven decision making. So this was all about the problem statement. Now let's go look at the objective that we will achieve through this analysis. We'll be monitoring on the key metrics that are total customers, total revenue, daily revenue growth rate, and daily customer growth rate. We'll also focus on the customer and revenue analysis by age group and also by city. And by third, we will be filtering data by sales mode, age group, city, month, and by also by policy ID. We'll have two dedicated pages, one for the sales mode analysis, in which we will find the total customers and the revenue split by the sales mode. And we will also do the month-on-month sales mode trend. We'll analyze the sales mode trend. And also there is another page dedicated for the age group analysis. In the age group, the impact will be on the expected settlement, sales mode preference, and policy preference. It will also enable demographic-based business decisions. So this was all about the objectives. So let's now start the analysis of the dashboard. So this is the homepage of the dashboard. And as you can see on the screen, we have four views. The home view, which is our current view, and then we have a general view for the general view of the company's performance. We'll have a sales mode view and also age group view. These are the four views of this dashboard. So let's start with the general view. So let's start the analysis of the general view. So here on the left-hand side, you can see that we are having the different pages. And if we want to go to other page or navigate through other pages, we can select this, but click on this, and we can go to that particular page. So this is the general view. And on the top side, you can see there are different filters. Filters like sales mode, age group, policy ID, city, month. Now let's start first with the KPIs, the most important KPIs for the company. And these are total revenue, total customers, DRG, that is daily revenue growth, and DCG, daily customer growth. So we can see the particular figures. Total revenue is 989 million. What are the total customers for the company? We can see that is 27K customers. Daily revenue growth is 5.74 million, and daily customer growth is 148.2. On and in this also we have mentioned the previous month figures for all the KPIs and also the percentage change from the previous month till the current month. And there is a positive impact, approximately 18% difference is there or a change is there from the previous month KPIs and the current month KPIs. So that's a positive impact on the performance of the company. Now, on the downside, we can see, let's understand two things. First, we will understand the revenue or the customer split by the city. And secondly, we will understand what is the revenue or the customer split by the age group. So based on the city, as we can see here, the Delhi or the NCR region is the highest revenue generator, and the same city is also having the highest customer base. And if we see on the contradiction to this, we can see that the Indore city is the lowest revenue generator, and also they are having the lowest number of customers. So with this, we can conclude with that our top market is the Delhi NCR city, and our lowest market or the lowest target is Indore city. Now let's understand the revenue of the customer split by the age group. That is, which customer age group is the highest revenue generator and also having the highest customer base. So based on this figure, we can clearly understand that the age group 31 to 40 is our highest revenue generator, and also they are having the highest number of customer base. Secondly, we can see the age group 41 to 50 is having also generating a high revenue and is also having a good customer base. But if we see the lowest revenue generator and also the lowest customer base, we can see that is the age group 81 to 90. So here it's clearly we can understand from these two figures that Delhi NCR is our top market and our top age group is target age group is basically 31 to 40 age. Now here on the right hand side we can see a line chart followed by a table which shows the customer segmentation based on different cities and based on different age group. And here on the line chart we can see the revenue trend or the month-on-month revenue trend, how the revenue was going from the month starting from November 22 till April 23. And also the same goes for the increase or decrease in the number of customers from November till April 20. So let's start understanding the revenue or the revenue trend first. And initially we can see we are having our peak revenue in the month of March, that is 264 million is the highest revenue the company has achieved in this time period, and the lowest ever revenue is 132 million. That is in the month of November 2022. And if we see in the customer segmentation, we can see the age group 31 to 40, and especially in the Delhi NCR region, is the highest revenue generator, 128 million. And if we see 81 to 90, and especially in the Indore region, is the lowest revenue generator. And let's now understand the customer demographic. Based on the month-on-month customer trend, it's also exactly the same like the revenue trend. We can see the highest customer we have got is in the month of March 23, and the lowest customer that the company has got is in the month of November 2022. And based on the customer segmentation, the same Delhi NCR region, that too in the age group 31 to 40, is also having the higher customer base, 4,361 customers they have got in that particular month. And also the same for the lowest 81 to 90 age group, and for the Indore region, only 21 customers. So I hope with this we have got a general idea about the performance of the company, especially the revenue and the customer base, where basically the split between the customer base, revenue and customers in based on the city and also based on the age group. Now let's go the next view, that is the sales mode view. Let's go to the sales mode view now. So this is the sales mode view, and same on the top we are having the same filters. And first let's understand the revenue split on the basis of the sales mode. What is the revenue split? So based on this, we can clearly see there is a top of the offline agent is the highest revenue generator. Almost 55% of our revenue is coming from the offline agents, and followed by we can see here 16% is from the online app through the app of the Shield Insurance online app. So these two are the main revenue generators in terms of sales mode for the company. And now let's understand what is the customer split based on the sales mode. Here also the same. Most of the customers are preferring the offline agent, almost 14K customers, followed by the apps, same as the revenue. And now let's understand the sales mode trend, month on month sales mode trend. And here also we can clearly see that mostly the offline agent Offline agent sales mode is the most preferred one among the customers and also is the highest in all the months from November 2020 to April 2023. As you can see for the November, December, every month, the direct offline agent is having the highest number. So this was all about the sales mode, and with this we can conclude that offline agent is the highest revenue generator, and also most customers are preferring offline agent. So the company should focus on this sales mode. And now let's go to the last view, that is the age group view. And this is the age group view, the same filters on the top. And let's start with the first with the age group versus expected settlement. That is, we will understand what is the expected settlement for different age group. So based on this column chart, we can clearly understand the age group that is 31 to 40 is the highest in the expected settlement, followed by age group 41 to 50. And the third highest group for expected settlement are in the age group 71 to 80. So basically these three age groups, that is 31 to 40, 41 to 50 and 71 to 80 are highest in the expected settlement. Let's understand the next, that is the age group and sales mode. That is which sales mode is mostly preferred by different age group. So it is clear from this we can see the age group 31 to 40 mostly prefers offline agents. That is the highest in the number. For almost 5,647 customers in that age group are preferring offline agent. And almost in other age groups also, that is 41 to 50 also are preferring offline agents, and also 25 to 30. So it is the mostly offline agent is the most preferred among all the almost this age groups. And now let's third understand the different age group and the customers. What is the customer split among different age groups? So we are having the highest number of customers from the age group 31 to 40. So this is our target customer age group base, followed by age group 41 to 50. That is the second highest in the number of customers. Now let's understand the age group versus policy preference. Which policy is mostly preferred by different age groups? And based on this table, we can clearly see that the policy ID 3309 is mostly preferred among the age group 31 to 40. So the age group 31 to 40 prefers policy number 330 ID 3309, and also the second highest preference for the policy is 4321, and also the policy 4331. So these are the top three policies mostly preferred by the customers, especially in the age group 31 to 40. In other age groups also, the demand for the policy 3309 and 4321 is almost pretty high. So these are the top three most preferred policies preferred among different age groups. Now, if we see the age group trend, how is the age group trend going? So most of the increase is basically in the customer segment or in the age group 18 to 24. You can see the 31 to 40. So mostly we can see the customers are increasing, especially in the age group 31 to 40 through all this time period from November 2022 to April 2023. And if we see on the contradiction to this, we can see the age group 51 to 90 are almost lower. And in that also, we can see the customers from 51 to 60 are increasing month on month. So this was all about the age group view. So now let's take on some key insights from the dashboard. As I have already explained the key insights from the dashboard, I'll just brief all the insights. Based on the KPIs, first we will see there is an increase in all the KPIs, major KPIs affecting the company. That is total revenue, total customers, daily revenue growth rate, and daily customer growth rate. And secondly, our focus was on city. The insight that we have got is the highest revenue and customer base is in Delhi NCR region, and the lowest customer base or the revenue is from Indore region. And based on the age group, we can clearly see the age group 31 to 40 is having the highest revenue and customer base while age group 81 to 90 is having the lowest revenue and also the lowest customer base. So this was about the general view insights. Now let's go to the next view. Key insights from the sales mode view. We have clearly understood that offline agent is the most revenue generating sales mode and is also mostly preferred by the customers. The second one, sales mode by customers. And if we see the sales mode trend, offline agent is increasing through every month. Every a month-on-month trend, we can see there is a positive impact or a positive increase in the offline agent sales. So these were all about the insights of the sales. So this is the last age group view key insights, and based on this, we can clearly see that 31 to 40 is having the highest expected settlements rate, and also the offline agent is the most preferred by age groups 18 to 24, 25 to 30, 41 to 50, and 50 to 60. And age group 31 to 40 is having the highest number of customers, as I mentioned in the sales mode view also. And policy ID, the PUL 3309 HEL is the policy mostly preferred and also by the age group 31 to 40. And there is a significant increase in the number of customers from the age group 31 to 40. So these all were the key insights from the age group view. So now let's understand some key recommendations based on the insights from the dashboard to the company Shield Insurance. So first one is revenue optimization. The company should focus on more revenue generating city, sales mode, age group, and policy to implement appropriate strategies and also by maximizing revenue. They should focus on their top revenue generating market, top customer base market, or the policy that is having the more demand by the customer. Secondly, they should target the city. They should focus on the highest revenue generating city, that is the Delhi NCR region, and they should introduce some appropriate customer retention strategies and loyalty programs while also focusing on cities like Indore, Chennai to improve their revenue and maximizing the customer base in those particular cities. Third is they should focus on the age group. The age group that is 31 to 40. They should introduce some policies or loyalty schemes attracting more customers in the particular age group, especially in age group 31 to 40 or 41 to 50, like that. And the March strategy. As we have already seen in the dashboard, that March is having the highest revenue and also the highest number of customers the company is getting is from the month of March. So based on this, the company should start creating strategies for maintaining customer base and also focusing on other months to improve the revenue and the increase in the number of customers in other months apart from March 23 or particularly March. And next is the offline agent. As it's clearly seen that offline agent is the highest revenue generator and mostly the customers are preferring offline agents followed by the app of the company. So to improve this particular sales mode, so the company can start hiring some new agents so that they can reach to more customers and increase their customer base during the peak demand period, especially in the month of March. And the last suggestion would be the preferred policy. The customers are mostly preferring the policies like policy ID 3309, 4321, and 4331. These are the top three most policies preferred by the customers. So they should introduce some suitable schemes or programs, attracting more and more customers toward these revenue generating policies so that they can help in maximizing their revenues and improving the customer base. So these were all some of the key suggestions to the company Shield Insurance. So now let's go to the conclusion here. So from all these insights and the analysis of the dashboard, we can conclude that Shield Insurance is basically demonstrating a strong business momentum with consistent month-over-month growth in both revenue and customer acquisition, supported by a positive daily growth rate across both the metrics, that is revenue and customer. So based on the analysis, it's revealed that the key strategic opportunities, that is geographic concentration in the Delhi NCR region and the demographic focus on the 31 to 40 age group representing the largest customer segment, and also channel optimization through offline agents as the most preferred salesman. So now the company can capitalize on all these insights The Shield Insurance should now prioritize targeted marketing and resource allocation in the Delhi NCR region and develop specific age-specific offerings for the 30 to 40 demographic. Also considering the expanding the offline agent network to meet demand based on certain peak periods like in March, and also leveraging strong performance of policies like I mentioned, policy ID 3309 for both customer acquisition and also for improving the retention strategies. By implementing all these data-driven recommendations, it will position Shield Insurance to maximize its revenue growth and also accelerate the customer base and in expansion. So this was all about from my analysis, and I hope the analysis part is clear to the company Shield Insurance, and they will take these insights and take actions or make decisions based on these insights, and that will also help in maximizing their revenue and also increasing their customer base. So that's all from my side. Thank you.